Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the TV so voice works reliably. Connect the TV to Wi-Fi and sign into your LG account. This enables cloud features. Once done, check for and install WebOS updates because new voice features often require the latest software. Make sure the remote has fresh batteries, and if you prefer, open the LG ThinQ app on your phone to pair later. Now, navigate directly to Settings so you can enable voice services without detours. You now enable the voice assistant and grant necessary permissions. In Settings, choose All Settings, then General, then Voice. This is where the options live. Turn on the microphone and accept permissions for voice recognition and data handling so the assistant can hear and learn. Next, pick your preferred assistant, LG ThinQ, Google Assistant, or Amazon. Selecting one sets the default command processing. If you picked Google or Amazon, sign in with that account to link services, then allow any requested device permissions. You finish by testing and tuning the assistant so it works naturally. Try a wake word and a simple command, for example, say, "Open YouTube," and observe response time and accuracy. If recognition is off, go back to voice settings to adjust sensitivity and language preferences, which improves performance in noisy rooms. Make sure to review linked accounts and permissions if features are missing. Troubleshooting tip: if the assistant is unresponsive, reboot the TV, repair the remote or app, and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.